Thank you, Honorable Deputy Speaker, sir. On behalf of my party, Apna Dal, I welcome the Delhi Special Police Establishment Amendment Bill 2014, as I feel it clearly reflects the NDA government's faith in and commitment towards the principles of democracy. As I understand, by now the entire House has understood the reason for the urgency in the passage of this bill. I appreciate the government's move to amend the Section 4A in order to include the leader of the single largest opposition in case of unavailability of the leader of opposition in the 3-member selection panel for the appointment of the CBI director. And I feel that the entire House stands in unity for this proposed amendment. However, several of our members from the opposition have expressed their reservations about the second amendment, which has been proposed by the government, which says that the appointment of the CBI director shall not stand suspended or will be delayed on account of the absence of one member out of the 3-member selection panel as far as the appointment of the director is concerned. Here, I feel the apprehension with the members who have raised their reservations is that the government may act arbitrary, the government may trust its choice. However, I would appeal to the House to notice the composition of the Selection Commission. It consists of 3 members, wherein only 1 member is the representative of the government, which is our Honorable Prime Minister. So in any case, even if 1 member is absent, the committee is not going to be biased. It will be unbiased, even in case of 1 member absent. Okay. And then, why are we assuming that there will be non-seriousness to the extent that 1 member out of the 3-member panel is going to be absent on a permanent basis? I strongly believe that with some seriousness and some alertness on the part of the government as well as the largest opposition party, we can ensure that the 3rd member is always present on the panel. Okay. Sir, I feel the government has proposed this second amendment keeping in mind an exceptional situation where the 3rd member may be absent on account of certain specific reasons. However, in such exceptional circumstances, the vacancy cannot be maintained. The crucial appointment of the CBI director has to be made. It cannot be held up in the larger interest of the nation, because nationwide the citizens have great faith and belief in the institution of CBI. There are so many cases where people have expressed their faith in the inquiries made by the CBI. So I think for trivial reasons, the appointment of on the post of the CBI director should not be held up. It is very essential and timely to pass this bill with the proposed 2 amendments. I once again extend my fullest support to this bill which has been proposed by the government. Thank you so much.